14 of the best ways to promote your business on Instagram. With more than 1 billion people using the platform every month, it'll come as no surprise to learn that Instagram usage is exploding. And these days, people aren't just using Instagram to connect with people they know and act as an Instagram creator. Here are 14 of the best ways to promote your business on Instagram for free. 1. Set up your Instagram account properly. Make sure you've got an Instagram business account set up instead of an Instagram creator account. It'll give you access to advanced features like account analytics. Then, upload 1. Profile picture. This Instagram business profile picture should match your logo to help with consistency and brand recognition. 2. Instagram bio. Why should people follow your profile? Use your Instagram bio to tell them and explain what type of content you'll be sharing. 3. Website link. Instagram only allows one clickable link from the profile. 4. CTA button. What should people do when they visit your Instagram page? 5. Contact information. Make it easy for potential customers to contact you. 2. Post at optimal times. If you're using Instagram to promote your business, as opposed to a creator account, you need to make sure that you're posting when your audience is online. Research pits the best time to post on Instagram as weekday evenings. However, remember that optimal posting times on your Instagram business account, using your business profile, can vary quite a bit. Your audience, their daily routine, and their time zone all play a role. So start with these guidelines and schedule content at various times of the day. Monitor what content at which time gets the most engagement. You'll start to notice a pattern. Continue posting at times when your content tends to perform best. 3. Schedule your content. Consistency is key when it comes to promoting your business on Instagram and your business page. If someone visits your profile and sees your most recent Instagram post was 2 weeks ago, there's no reason for them to hit the follow button. Similarly, if their Instagram feed is overwhelmed with posts from your business, they'll be less likely to follow you. Various social media automation tools schedule Instagram posts on your behalf, including Buffer, Sprout Social, and Hootsuite. Most of those Instagram automation platforms will use historical data to analyze your own optimal posting time and create a queue for scheduled content to go out at those peak times. 4. Show your Instagram feed on your website. It's easy to fall into the trap of treating your Instagram profile as its own entity. Not only are those people more likely to follow your business's Instagram profile, but when they do follow you, it might only take a few posts for them to take the next step and purchase from you. There's a feed for their latest posts alongside a hashtag for customers to use. 5. Use popular hashtags. The secret to Instagram marketing is to position your content in front of your target audience. A great way to do this is to include popular hashtags in your posts. Why? Because Instagram allows its users to follow hashtags in addition to profiles. Should you use any number of hashtags that someone follows, you can appear in their newsfeed even if they don't follow your Instagram profile. Remember to rely on trending topics, like the example below from Treats by Stephanie, and use specific hashtags that your audience is most interested in. Once you've found the right ones, plug your hashtags either in the post's caption or as the first comment. 6. Tag your location. When uploading a new post to Instagram, you'll see an option to tag the location the photo was taken at. This is a great way for local brick-and-mortar businesses to use Instagram to build brand awareness and encourage more in-store visitors. Inside the Instagram app, users can click locations and see a gallery of previous posts shared from there. If someone's thinking of visiting your restaurant, for example, there's a good chance they'll be browsing this page before booking. 7. Write engaging Instagram captions. Every Instagram post should have an engaging caption, regardless of whether you're posting single images, videos, or IGTV videos. A good caption makes followers more likely to engage with the content. High Instagram engagement is a signal that your content is interesting, and, therefore, influences how high the post is placed in your other followers' feeds. So, what makes a good caption? The exact answer lies within your buyer persona information. Figure out which phrases your target demographic uses and replicate it. This post from Rowan Holmes, for example, uses emojis. It also directly calls out an action they want users to take, in this case, commenting on the post, which helps increase engagement. 8. Run a giveaway. Looking for a quick way to boost your Instagram follower count or increase awareness of new products? A study by Tailwind found that Instagram giveaway posts get 3.5 times as many likes and 64 times more comments than regular content. It's no wonder why brands who use Instagram contests can increase their follower count 70% faster. Instagram giveaway don't stop engaging with you once the contest ends. You'll build a list of potential customers who you can continue reaching through future Instagram posts. 9. Partner with Instagram influencers. If you've been in the social media world for a while, you'll know that influencer marketing is a superb marketing tool. It works by partnering with influencers in your niche, collaborating with them, and asking them to share your brand, product, or service with their followers. Start the process by finding Instagram influencers to partner with. Tools like Upfluence show which influencers your audience is following. Then, reach out to the influencer and ask if you can work together. 10. Repost user-generated content, UGC. Struggling to post quality content to your Instagram account and find positive Instagram insights? The photos you're sharing have a huge influence on whether a visitor decides to follow your business. However, you don't need to create all of that content yourself. You probably have previous customers already creating it for you. 11. Host Instagram Live videos. With Instagram Live, any business can start a live stream for their audience. People can hop in and out at any time. Some 82% of people would rather watch a live stream than see a standard social media post. Use Instagram Live videos to promote your business and increase your engagement rate on the platform. 12. Create Instagram Reels. When you post a new piece of content to your Instagram feed, it's not guaranteed that it'll be seen by everyone following your business's profile. That's why you need to experiment with different content formats on Instagram, including Reels, repetitive video loops that are 15 seconds in length. 13. Use Instagram Stories regularly. People aren't just using Instagram to follow posts in their newsfeed. Over 500 million people use Instagram Stories, a feature where brands show vertical videos, or photos, that appear in the top banner of a user's homepage, every day. Make the most out of Instagram Stories by posting them regularly. 14. Monitor important metrics. Regardless of which Instagram promotion tactics you've used, it's crucial to monitor how effective your new Instagram marketing strategy is. A great way to do this is to regularly check in with your Instagram analytics reports. Specifically, the types of content and topics that get the 1. Most views and impressions. 2. Highest engagement rate. 3. Highest response rate. All of this data can be found in Instagram Insights, but if you want more insight into your social media strategy as a whole, use a professional social media analytics tool like Hootsuite Analyze or Databox. Start using Instagram to promote your business.